In this video, I'm going to add an image to my page. So I'm going across here and I'm looking on Google Images for a rectangle with height and width shown. And this here looks like quite a good graphic to take. So I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to save image. So let's say I'm just going to save that into my downloads folder for now. And I'm going to give it a nice simple name. Just RECT-PNG. There we go. Then I'm going across to WinSCP and I am copying that across into the folder so it's there for me to use. And then I'm going to go into my page and where I put it, sorry I just had a mozzie attacking me there, I'm actually going to put it up here ahead of the form but within the container. So img for image, src for the source of the image equals, and in between there it's called rect.png, and then I'm going to save that. Now I'll be interested to see what happens against my black background here. So I've saved that and then I'm going across to the page, there it is, and refresh. So in actual fact that's kind of hard to see against that background there. So I'm going to do a bit of a workaround. You might not need to do this. So I'm going to give that a class, and the class is going to equal rect. So there we go. Now, I do have the capacity here for my own style sheet, so I'm going to go in and use that. So, looking here in WinSCP, I'm going to create a new file, because that doesn't exist yet, called style.css. There we go. And this class called rect that I'm using just for this image, I'm going to make that have a background color of white. There we go. And I think I might actually give it a width of, I don't know, we'll need to spell that correctly, a width of, 300 pixels. So I'm doing a little bit of formatting there, just that's going to apply to that image. So let's go back and refresh it. And now you'll see that I can actually see the background on that, even though it's a transparent image and it's against my black background. So that's how I've done that. Actually, one last thing that I am going to do, you'll notice that's still a bit crowded, is I'm going to go back here to my CSS and I'm going to give it a margin on the top of, 60 pixels. And I'm going to give it a margin down the bottom. So margin down the bottom of 60 pixels as well. And the reason I'm doing this is just to introduce a little bit more space into my design. There you go. I think that's better. Let's just check that I haven't broken the page. 10 and 5. Submit. There we go. Everything works there.